Alright, let's dive into the world of SDK development. Whether you're building your first kit or refining your 10th, there are some universal best practices that can turn your SDK from may to must use. First up, architecture. A good SDK is like a well-organized toolbox. Everything should have its place. Keep your core logic modular. Separate the interface from the implementation. That way, developers can use what they need without tripping over extra stuff. Ever used an SDK where a simple call drags half the internet with it? Yeah, don't be that SDK. Now let's talk API design. Your API is the handshake between your SDK and the world. Make it predictable. Consistent naming, intuitive methods, and clear error messages go a long way. Take Stripe's SDK, for example. Their APIs feel like they were designed for humans, not robots. That's what you want. Make it easy for someone new to jump in and get results fast. Documentation is your secret weapon. Think of it as the map that helps devs get where they need to go. Start with a killer. Getting started guide, then layer in code samples, FAQs, and deep dives. Don't just describe what a function does, show real-world use cases. The less guessing, the better. Good docs save time for everyone, including you. Testing might not be flashy, but it's how you build trust. Unit tests for every module, integration tests for the big picture. If possible, provide a sandbox so devs can safely experiment. Look at how Twilio gives you a fake SMS environment. That's a game changer. Plus, don't forget to test across multiple environments so you're not blindsided by a rogue OS update. Versioning is next. Follow semantic versioning major.minor.patch. Don't break stuff in a patch release. And always communicate changes clearly. Release notes aren't just for compliance, they're for your users. If you want to keep people around, give them a heads up before you scrap an old feature. On that note, backward compatibility is huge. Try to support old versions as long as you can, or at least provide migration tools. No one wants to refactor their code every 6 months just because your SDK moved the goalposts. Finally, let's talk deployment. Automation is your friend. Use CI/CD pipelines to build, test, and release your SDKs reliably. Make it easy for developers to grab your latest version. Think package managers like NPM, PyPI, or Maven. The smoother the install, the faster people get to Hello World. To wrap up, modular architecture, clean APIs, solid docs, rigorous testing, careful versioning, backward compatibility, and automated deployment. Nail those and you're building an SDK devs will actually love. Thanks for listening. If you found this useful, hit that like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.